Hi my friends, this is Evan from SVA Hardware. Today I'm going to introduce our Essential View series. Let's check the different colors. You can see in my hand, this one is in satin surface, and this one is polish and white color and matte black. And these two, brush gold and browns, and we make it really regularly, and we have a really high standard and strict inspection for the different colors, and we will use the special equipment for testing the color difference for all the different colors, so it's no worry about the color difference. And we can make any other colors. You can just provide us with the color plate. We can make according to the color plate. So if you want to know more about our products, please contact us. We will send you more details about this. Thank you.